In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from your PayPal over to a Binance account. So once you open your PayPal account, you can see your crypto balance here at the top. If it doesn't show up in that area, just go to your finances on the bottom menu and select crypto and then Bitcoin. Once in here, we need to click on these transfer arrows and then select send option. So you'll be needing to put something here at the top from your Binance. So just go ahead and open your Binance application. So once in here, open your wallet at the bottom right. Search for Bitcoin and select Bitcoin. Click on deposit, and this is going to give us the shareable Bitcoin wallet address. Go ahead and copy that one and go back to PayPal. So once in PayPal, paste here at the search button earlier at the top, and then that's going to populate this middle section with that Bitcoin wallet address. In here, you need to enter in how much Bitcoin you'd like to send. If you want to send it all, just tap the send it all at the bottom. So in here, we need to do the quick security check. Just tap next. So in here, it's going to send a code to the mobile number that I've registered in my PayPal. So once done, just click next. And if you enter that code correctly, it'll confirm your identity. Then it'll take us to the review page. And when everything is okay and sure, just click send now at the bottom. And that's it. That's how to transfer from PayPal to Binance. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.